Back at it here. Out here with the dogs. There's over there just chilling out, and the rest of them over here doing something, trying to bark. They just heard something, but yeah, doing my usual. And some dog time, get me some outdoor time. Uh, yeah, don't have a ton to talk about. Still have that truck recall I need to get in for, and I'm not really even sure what that one's about. I'll put it on the screen here if I can dig it up. I'm not sure if I've already kind of talked about that one. I know there is another recall. That makes, since we've owned the truck, we got it in, it's a 2019. I think we got it right at the beginning of 2020. Used, had 12,000 miles on it, but we've had probably, I want to say 4 or 5 recalls. Biggest one being the fuel pump. Software upgrades. Most of them software upgrades. I think, the fuel pump was a big one because they had to really dig into the motor for that. But at least they are recalling when there is an issue, and they've been trying to make it right. I've heard of some vehicles having just tons of recalls, so I don't feel too bad at 4 or 5, whatever it is. Leave a comment. I hope everyone liked that last video. It was a little sketchy at the beginning, but the spare tire replacement, glad to finally have that. Finally got them rotated. It actually rides better. I should have done it a while ago. I know I took a hit there on some of the tread life, but that's how it goes sometimes. You just, get to it when you can. I'm pretty sure I'm going to need brakes on it. We're at 50,000 now, the rammer. So I can feel it. You can tell when you need brakes. I can hear it occasionally starting to squeak. So I'm going to get it in. That's probably going to be a pretty penny for that. Again, leave a comment if you got your brakes done. This will be my first brake job on it, believe it or not. Probably because I'm always running with the Jake brake or the exhaust brake on. So it does help it slow it down. And it supposedly cleans up the turbo fins, so I've heard. So anyhow, don't have a ton to say. Got the recall. We are probably going to start trying to camp again come March and April. Get a couple trips in. Maybe one more after that, even hopefully before it gets blazing hot. That's when we usually don't do anything. We've been trying again through this winter here, get our medical done. Kind of take care of our health issues. That way we can come fall, kind of do that through summer too. And then once fall gets here, that's when we start liking to travel again. But haven't camped in a few months, so I got the urge, and I think she's ready to too. So hopefully we can get a week trip in. But I got to see what's available out there, and prices are so god awful that hopefully they'll come down soon. I'm hoping. I know gas is supposed to come down, so just kind of waiting for that and drinking a step 2 and praying it will. Anyhow, guys, I'm going to keep this short today because, again, I don't have a ton to say, or not camping. Truck tow trailer and try and cover everything in between. Do need to get out and check the fifth wheel. We've had substantial rains out west here, and with the new roof, I want to make sure everything's good. I'm sure it is, but it never hurts to do that, especially if you don't get rain that often. It's already been about a week, so I've got to hurry up and do it. We need to take a few things out there. I'll maybe try and run some video. I keep saying that. Maybe run some video out there again, just to show you the storage setup, which I'm pretty happy with for now. It's not covered, but it's got a pretty high wall behind it, and the sun goes down that way and gives it some protection, which we feel okay about. Of course, we'd rather have it covered and things like that, but it's expensive. We've got to keep our budget in mind on all this stuff. But yeah, again, looking forward to getting back out there. Leave a comment if you've made a camping trip this winter, or if you're planning to here in the spring, as the weather maybe gets nicer wherever you're at. But again, thanks for all the subscribers, old and new. Appreciate every one of you, and I will catch you next time. Yep. Smash burger.
Probably turn it down a little bit, you think?
Probably. First grill on the new grill.
Golly.
Get you a little bit. Here we go with some good old Arnold. Got some onions coming in. Oh yeah. This girl knows what she's doing.
I think I know.
Oh, you act like it. Looking good. There we go. Yeah, go ahead. Good.
That's hot, dude.
Good. Nice and hot. That's what you want. Maybe do some flipping on them bad boys.
Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah. Perfect. Woo, doggy. Smash burger ain't got nothing on those bad boys. Oh yeah. Smell them onions. Oh yeah. Somebody driving by probably just drooling right now. We got an in and out up in here. Oh yeah. Another smash. Oh, there we go. Not even making it to the drain. So big. A little bit. I see a little bit.
A little bit down now.
A little bit. Oh yeah. That's living. Oh. Wow. Give the onions a smash. Why not? Smashing everything tonight. Oh yeah. Oh, that's the bomb. Oh yeah. Woo, doggy.
Can't get them to turn over. Stuck with it, no more?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Get it in there. Oh yeah. Still doing good. I'm still smelling it. Oh yeah, there we go. Another blast of that. Labor Town. Get it. There you go. Ah, good job. Get it. Hurry up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Mmm. Yeah, perfect. Oh yeah. Looking good. I'll clean all this up. Burn it off. Go get me a new paper towel. Start right.
Hot.
Hot. We got hot.